Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm deep diving into some explosive news that every crypto enthusiast needs to know. A major altcoin breakout is on the horizon, and I'm going to explain why now is the perfect time to start buying. If you want to maximize your gains and stay ahead of the game here in crypto, you won't want to miss this. Stick around as I reveal the top reasons behind the impending surge and why I believe this could be a life-changing opportunity for savvy crypto investors. Let's go. So I want to start here and talk through sentiment of the crypto market. I think it's really important that you keep an eye on, the sentiment in the space. Now, the pullback saw everything go bearish, and we can see from the chart here, you see the red, where we've been very, very bearish, right? And this is something that we haven't really seen since Bitcoin was at like $30,000, right? Extreme fear at 20 on the fear and greed index. Sentiment at 81 as of the time of recording is bullish, right? But that is a change, right? So we've seen the change from 35 bearish for sentiment, 14 extreme fear, to more bullish when it comes to sentiment. Now, this is something that is really interesting. When we have a look at like the economic aspect of things, there are banks in danger of failing or collapsing in 2024. Lots of exposure to, the commercial property and real estate, markets. We are expecting a Fed pivot very, very soon, which would basically encompass a big drop to the downside for both stocks and crypto. So look, people are starting to feel the pinch. We're seeing the UK banks starting to lower interest rates for mortgages. A bit annoying for me. I've just done a remortgage on a property over in the UK. So I haven't got the best rate in the world. And those rates are starting to come down now. So you're probably not going to see the benefit of that for a few months, but you are going to start to notice the rates dropping. And I think that this is a bit like a domino effect, right? We're going to start to see more of this around the world. We're going to see pivots and interest rates being lowered. So look, this is something that we've been predicting for 14, 15 months now, a Fed pivot, Q3, and then stock and crypto crash, and then we're off into the races. So we're getting close to that period of time. I have been personally dollar cost averaging into the market, on this big pullback. We were telling you it was coming. There was people informing you that, this was the last chance, go remortgage your house, invest in crypto. When it was at like, Bitcoin was at like 65, 70,000. We were telling you that there would be better opportunities out there. And I think we are starting to see that right now. We're also seeing Germany, the government over there, selling millions in Bitcoin. They've moved a lot to exchanges. So, this is Bitcoin that's been seized and so on. So, look, there could be more downward pressure from these sales as governments are utilizing, the assets that have been seized. Now, on a more positive note, the analysis shows that Ethereum ETFs could impact the market with $15 billion net flows by 2025. This is monstrous. Low outflows in Ethereum Foundation wallet suggest bull cycle is yet to reach its peak. Ethereum traders are gradually turning bullish again, according to the increase buyer activity when you look at the ETH ratio. I think this is interesting stuff and stuff that we need to be keeping an eye on. So with the fact that, again, this is something we said it was inevitable that there would be an Ethereum spot ETF. We're starting to see that come to fruition now. I think the Ethereum at 3,377.39 is a really good price. I have been dollar cost averaging. I actually got it cheaper than this. And for me, it seems like a really good buyer's market right now. but people are feeling the pinch, like we said that they would be. They're feeling the pinch. They can't necessarily, invest in cryptocurrency. We said that we would expect people to feel the pinch, struggle to keep the lights on, feed themselves, and so on. And I think we're at the cusp of, what we've been talking about for some time right now. So, there should be better opportunities on the horizon is kind of what I'm saying here. And this is why I'm highlighting the strategy that I am. So Ethereum, with an Ethereum spot ETF coming, we probably see moves to the downside once that's all started operating, and then when we're gradually going to see a lot of inflows into Ethereum from institutional money. So look, I've been adding Ethereum like a madman. Members in our Discord, link in the description down below for the free Discord. They get to see our buys and sells, as we're making them. So, you can follow along if that's something that you want to do. We've got Polygon Matic at 0.556, down 2.88% at the time of recording. This is obviously a pre-record, so take that with a pinch of salt. What I would say is over 95% of Matic holders are actually in loss. They purchased at higher prices than this. I think that this is a positive sign that they won't be selling, particularly with an Ethereum spot ETF approval and that going live. We are going to see a pump in altcoin layer 2s on the Ethereum network, I believe, just like we saw with Bitcoin. So look, I think this would be a good opportunity to be buying into a project like Matic. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Another one, again, an L2, Arbitrum, ARB, again, over 90% of wallets actually in loss at the moment. It's down 0.77% at the time of recording, 81 cent 85. Again, I think this will be a great opportunity purchasing, on the red days, the pullbacks. I think that, again, a good position in this particular project would be good with everything that's happening when it comes to the Ethereum spot ETF. Now, again, I'm going to be ahead of the market in my predictions here, trying to, keep people as, as informed as possible, I guess. I want people to be successful in the space, and I'm going to just tell you my thoughts and opinions on what I expect to happen after the Ethereum spot ETF. I expect there, and this is going to rival, get a few people's backs up, I guess. I am expecting to see a spot XRP ETF at some point in the future. Again, I think that this is a great opportunity to be buying XRP. A lot of people are going to hate on this. I don't really care. It's my honest views, my opinions. And, bearing in mind, we've called so many things accurately. I think that this is going to be no different. XRP at 0.4735, down 0.39% in the past 24 hours. Purchasing on pullbacks, XRP, I think would be a good buy. It's, pretty much got clarity. They're on the verge of settling with the SEC. And, once that happens, it's one of the only altcoins, excluding Ethereum, seems to be okay now with the SEC dropping the lawsuit, that has clarity. Not only does it have clarity, you are seeing exchanges and big players, whales, buying it up on these dips. Do they know something we don't? Possibly. So look, speculation as always when it comes to Ripple XRP, but I really did want to flag this as a big opportunity. And the other one that I've been talking about, again, before the Ethereum spot ETF was even a thing, I said to expect it. I expected it to be inevitable, but I also went on to highlight Solana, XRP, and a few others for potential spot ETFs of their own. Solana is the other one. Again, I think that this is a great opportunity, buying the dip when it comes to Solana. I expect them to get a spot ETF in the future of their own. I think that it's a great opportunity. But look, let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. Really interested to read through those. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you're kept up to date and you can, be ahead of most, if not all, the people in the crypto space. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.